I partnered with this brand so I can share with you the details of this bed frame that we have set up in our home. Hi, I'm Saba. There are 6 features of this bed frame that are worth noting now that we have used it. First, the bed frame is so easy to assemble. We did it in 5 minutes. The instructions are straightforward and the parts are labeled, so the brand made it easy for us. Second, it's sturdy. It's made out of metal, so it's stable and durable. The box it came in was pretty heavy compared to the weight of just basic bed frames. Third, there is so much storage capacity. It gives me so much space to work with. This is helpful for small spaces like this room, but also for convenience. Fourth, you don't need a box frame. You just need a mattress. And for me, that's more savings. Fifth, it doesn't squeak or creak when you're on it. That can be so frustrating. And I'm happy this bed frame does not do that. And lastly, it's just high enough off the floor that you can place storage underneath without it looking odd or being too high off the ground. You get about 16 inches in storage space height, and it fits a queen size mattress perfectly. But they have an option for a lower bed frame as well. For all these reasons, we think this bed frame is well worth the value. This bed is in our guest room. We have tried it, and every guest has told us the bed is comfortable and they were able to sleep well. So that's generally the ultimate goal.